Morning, Al.
How are you?
Good. How are you?
Good. We are going to start off with Georgia Conway.
Georgia what?
Conway.
Georgia Conway. Is there an offer in the file for her?
Yeah, Myrisha Pitts and Kamari Jones. Let's see. For Conway, double parking. Agreed amount of 400. Pitts, double parking, 400. Jones, there's two DWLSs knocked down to double parking, $800.
Does that dismiss one of them?
Yeah.
Okay. All righty.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Georgia Conway, correct?
Yes.
Al Hindman, the magistrate. Today's date and time for a pretrial with Romulus, City of Romulus. Would you like to speak with the in-house attorney?
No, I don't really have anything to say.
So they're here to assist you on your case, and you don't want to speak with them, correct?
Yeah, I can.
Okay. Give me 1 second here. Ms. Conway, a breakout room is going to appear on your screen. You're going to click to enter it. The attorney will be there shortly. When you're done speaking with the attorney, you'll click to leave it, okay?
Okay.
Good morning. Myrisha Pitts. Myrisha Pitts. Maisha Pitts, second
Here.
call. Good morning.
Good morning.
Hindman, the magistrate. Today's the date and time set for a pretrial with the city of Romulus. Do you want to speak with the in-house attorney?
No.
You have a case, two cases before the court. The prosecutors reviewed that file. They're willing to dismiss the speeding ticket and the driving while license suspended and amend the original charge of driving while license suspended to double parking. Do you want to accept that plea?
Yes.
Hold on 1 minute. Okay, Ms. Pitts, at the time of the stop back on the 4th of March of this year, when you were pulled over, did you have a valid license?
I thought I did, and when I got pulled over, I was made aware that I wasn't.
Okay. I'm going to accept your plea. I'm dismissing the driving while license suspended. I'm dismissing the speeding ticket. I'm going to amend this to a double parking, a no point civil infraction. Your fines and costs are $400. You can pay that in the next 5 days.
Yes.
You can pay it in person at the court's drop box by US mail or online. How are you going to pay it?
Online.
What's your cell number?
616-272-6210.
Pay it within the next 5 days online and you'll be all set, okay?
Okay, thank you.
Dan, go ahead.
Daniel Batar on behalf of Georgia Conway, Your Honor. Your Honor, she's going to accept the offer. She will plead responsible to double parking in exchange for a dismissal of the DWLS.
Ms. Conway, at the time of the stop on July 28th of 2018, when you were pulled over, did you have a valid license?
No.
I'm going to accept your plea. I'm going to dismiss the original charge of driving while license suspended. I'm going to add no points civil infraction of double parking. Your fines and costs total $400. You can pay it within the next 5 days.
Judge, she's already on a payment plan for another matter. She'll need a payment plan on this also if it can be rolled into together.
Already
Your
paid.
phone number ends in 1461, correct?
Yes.
And I know, Ms. Conway, you're going to say you already paid on the other one, correct?
Yes.
Yep, they'll just give you a payment plan on this then, all right?
I can pay it in full.
Oh, great. If you can pay it in full, you can pay on the website. How are you going to pay that?
I'd rather pay it in cash.
That's fine. You can go to the courthouse. A court officer will meet you outside and take your payment. Is that correct, Your Honor?
Yes.
Okay.
You can do that by tomorrow or today you can do it?
Yep, I can drop it off today.
Great.
So,
Okay, pay it today and you'll be all set.
okay, thank you.
You're still on a payment plan on your other case.
I am.
My file says you are.
I had paid it. It said I owe $438, and I had paid it in full.
Well, then, you may have. I'm just going by what's on this file. This was printed on the 15th of April at 3:20 p.m.
And it looks like she made a payment on the computer system says April 1st of $398. It says partial payment made.
$398.
Yep.
This just says that you owe $85.
Okay.
Talk to you. You're going to the court. Talk to them. They'll get it figured out.
Okay.
All right.
Make sure you ask them for the clearances, Miss Conway, also, okay?
Okay.
Good luck.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
The other person was here and she disappeared. Kamari.
Okay.
iPhone, no audio, no video. iPhone, no audio, no video. Good morning.
Morning, how are you?
Good. What can I do for you this morning?
I have Ali Jamal Kimbrough scheduled.
Ali Jamal Kimbrough, prosecutors reviewed the file. They're willing to dismiss the driving while license suspended at the 0-point offense of double parking.
Okay, yeah, I'll take that.
Is he here?
I can plead on his behalf.
Your appearance for the record.
I'm Maurice Davis, P76203, appearing on behalf of Ali Jamal Kimbrough.
Counselor, you have your client's permission to accept this plea for him, correct?
Yes, I'll plead responsible to the amended charge of double parking.
Fines and costs total $400. He can pay it in the next 5 days, correct?
Yes.
I need a contact number for him.
313-645-5715.
Okay, I've dismissed the original, added the 0-point offense, double parking. Pay it within the next 5 days, will be all set, okay?
Okay, thank you. Have a good day.
Debbie Borak. No audio. Debbie Borak. No audio, no video. Good morning. Debbie Borak. Borowick. No audio, no video.
Okay, how do I fix that?
There you go. Good morning. You can hear me, correct?
Yes,
Al Hindman, the magistrate, today's date and time set for a pretrial with the Romulus prosecutor. Do you want to speak with the in-house attorney?
sure.
I'm going to put you in a breakout room. It's going to appear on your screen. You're going to click to enter it. When you're done speaking with the attorney, you're going to click to leave it. He won't be there when you get there. Sit tight. He'll show up, okay?
All right, thank you. I don't know how to fix this.
You're fine.
Oh, okay.
Your Honor, can I have the offer on her, please?
Yeah, it's double parking. Dismiss the registration or plate and the fail to yield.
And how much is the fine?
Hold on. No, it's no proof of insurance, failed to yield. And it is the original charge is a registration or plate. I'm corrected. 400.
Thank you.
What's that?
Went through the room you're already in.
Join.
Click to enter it.
Your Honor, she's going to plead responsible to the double parking as part of the offer. The original charges will be dismissed. The stipulated fine is $400. She will need a payment plan.
Okay, Ms. Boriak, you agreement with the attorney, correct?
Yes.
I've dismissed the original charge. I've added the 0-point civil infraction of double parking. Your fines and costs are $400, and you can pay that when you need time to pay, correct?
Yes.
What's your cell number?
734-799-6155.
Pay close attention to your cell phone. The collections department's going to call you and set up a payment plan, okay?
All right, thank you.
You're all set.
Thank you.
Take care.
Mark Dorsey, DWLS to double parking 400. If he ever shows up in here.
Yep.
Mark Dorsey, no audio. Next is Erica Smith. It's the same DWLS to double parking. Erica Smith, no audio, no video. Next is Winbush. Jean Winbush, no audio. Jean Winbush, no audio. Batting 1,000 here. Galaxy A7, no audio, no video.
Says it's connecting.
Good morning.
Ma'am, we can't hear you. You did not connect to audio.
Given she's
There
trying.
we go.
There you are, sir.
Good morning. Your name for the record.
Good morning. My name is Jennifer Lee Cole.
Jennifer L. Hindman, the magistrate. We have an in-house attorney present, Dan Batard. Do you want to speak with the in-house attorney?
No, I'm not. I don't think so.
You're
Pretty
going to
open.
pass on the attorney, correct?
I don't think I need one. No, sir.
All right. You were charged with driving while license suspended
Yes, sir.
back on March 4th. You read and signed your advice or rights form that you received in the mail, correct? You read it, correct?
Yes, sir. I did read it. Yes.
You understand it, correct?
Yes, sir.
There's an offer from the prosecutor to dismiss the original charge of driving while license suspended, add the 0-point offense in place of that charge of double parking, and dismiss no proof of insurance in the equipment violation. Are you in agreement with that?
I'm in agreement with it. Can I let you know about the car real quick?
I'm really not into any part of it, but
Well, what I mean is, I don't have the car and anymore. I had sold it as is. I did get the brake light done and the tail light done before I had sold
we're
it. though.
dismissed, so that's why you don't got to worry about it.
Oh, okay, okay. I got
You're
you.
entering into this plea freely and voluntarily, correct?
Yes, sir.
You understand that by entering into this plea, you're giving up your right to a trial before a judge and before a jury, correct?
Yes, sir. Yes. I just want to let you know that I did sell the car, so I won't be driving it. Yeah, until I get my license. I don't want no problems.
Dismiss the driving while license suspended. I dismiss the no proof of insurance, and I dismiss the equipment violation. Your fines and costs total $400. You can pay that in the next 5 days.
Yes, sir, I can.
You can pay it in person at the court. You can pay it at the court's drop box. You can pay it by US mail or online. How are you paying it?
Can I pay by check or do you need a money order?
You can mail it to the court within the next 5 days, okay?
That'd be great. Then I'm gonna send a check.
Pay the $400 by check, US mail in the next 5 days, you're all set.
Thank you so much, sir. You have a blessed day.
You too.
Okay, bye-bye.
I'm amending the no proof of insurance to double parking.
You're muted, Al.
That'd help, wouldn't it? Mark Dorsey,
Yes, sir.
Al Hindman, the magistrate, how are you?
I'm doing good today. How about yourself?
Good. You have a case before the court that you're charged with driving while license suspended. We have an in-house attorney. You want to speak with that attorney today?
Yeah, that'd be fine. I appreciate it.
Okay, a breakout room is going to appear on your screen. You're going to click to enter it. The attorney will show up there. You'll have a conversation, then you'll click to leave it, okay?
Okay, thank you.
Dan, you're good on that, all right? Dijon Winbush. Dijon Winbush, no audio. Dijon Winbush, fifth call.
Your Honor, Mr. Dorsey is going to plead responsible to the double parking in exchange for a dismissal of the DWLS. And he says he will be able to pay any fines and costs today in person.
Mr. Dorsey, at the time of the stop on July 11th of 2020, when you were pulled over, did you have a valid license?
No, sir.
I'll accept your plea. Your fines and costs total $400, and you can pay that within the next 5 days, correct?
Yes, sir.
You pay it in person at the court's drop box by U.S. mail or in person. How you paying it?
It'll be in person.
What's your cell number?
248-787-2628.
You have a good day.
Thank you.
Take care, Mr. Dorsey.
You too.
Malik Greer.
Yes, sir.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Al Hindman, the magistrate. Today's the date and time set for a pretrial. You have 2 cases with the Romulus prosecutor. We have an in-house attorney present. You want to speak with that attorney today?
Yes.
A breakout room is going to appear on your screen. You're going to click to enter it. The attorney will show up. You'll have a conversation and you'll click to leave it, okay?
Okay.
It's going to appear on your screen shortly.
Your Honor, is that the same offer, the double
Yes.
parking?
Yeah. You can click to enter it, Mr. Greer. DeJean Winbush, fifth call, no audio. DeJean Winbush, no audio, no video.
Your Honor, Mr. Greer is going to take advantage of the offer, plead responsible to double parking with the dismissal of the DWLS and the impeding traffic.
Mr. Greer, at the time of the stop back on December 20th of 2019, when you were pulled over, did you have a valid license?
No, sir.
I'll accept your plea. Your fines and costs total $400. The impeding traffic ticket, I'm dismissing it in its entirety. There's a $45 FCJ on there, but I don't have any control over it. I think it's dismissed. I don't know for sure. That goes up and down by the week. I've added the count of double parking, dismissed the driving while license suspended. You can pay this when?
I will come in next Wednesday and pay it.
So pay within 5 days?
Uh,
Pay within
No.
10 days?
yes, next Wednesday.
You're paying it at the court?
Yes,
Your cell number ends in 3009, correct?
yes, sir.
You're all set. You have a good day.
You too.
Don't forget to pay that within that 10 days, Mr. Greer, okay?
I got you.
Good. Take care.
Moto 7G, fifth attempt. No audio, no video. Moto 7G. Dan, it's a Darius Oakley.
Did you say Oakley?
Yeah, Darius Oakley. They're going to dismiss the reckless, add the count of speeding 21 plus. and plead to the no proof of insurance. Dismiss the reckless, plead to the speeding and the no proof.
Okay.
Hold on a minute, that's really nice, but I don't have a speeding.
Yeah, I just see no proof of insurance and reckless, so they want to add the speeding.
I want to just add speeding to the misdemeanor.
Do you recall, Your Honor, speeding 21 over is 4 points, I believe, right?
Yeah. And
Is he in the breakout room already?
I'm going to try. We're doing all this and we probably won't even be able to get him.
Oh, okay. Thought I missed something, just making sure. There he is.
Good morning. Darius Oakley. Darius Oakley. No audio. Darius Oakley, no audio. Well, that's what I figured how that would go. Darius Oakley, second attempt, no audio, no video. Darius Oakley, no audio, no video. You know what it is? He's not till 10:50. So I have these people that they'll do this. They'll turn on their phone and they won't come back.
They're just getting on when they can. It seems nobody follows the assigned time.
All right, I'll be back. We get a
Okay.
break. Kamari Jones, no audio. Kamari Jones. Kamari Jones, no audio.
Third time's not a charm.
Kamari Jones, no audio, no video.
You're not connected to audio, Kamari Jones.
Kamari Jones, no audio. We have video, no audio.
Excuse me.
Kamari Jones, no audio.
There's a number listed online for Kamari Jones. I'm going to try and give it a call if that's okay with you.
You go ahead, but I've called it 5 times. It's busy.
Oh, have you forget it then? No, that's fine. I didn't know you had.
You, whenever you want to do that, go ahead though. I tried. I do that on all of them. When I blink out, I'm really sitting here calling. I got 5 people were here today.
Yeah.
Or 3, Winbush, Oakley, and Kamari Jones, and I've called 2 out of the 3, but they don't answer.
No, if you've called, then I don't need to. You answered that or took care of that. You know, when you log on, you have that option that pops up to connect.
You're
And I
right.
think people don't press it.
Oh.
Hey, there we go.
Kamari,
Yes, good morning.
that was a tough one, wasn't it?
Yeah, I was trying to figure out how to do the sound and stuff, man. I'm
That's
sorry.
all right. You made it. Al Hindman, the magistrate, today's the date and time set for a pretrial with the city of Romulus. You have 2 cases, 2 driving while license suspended cases. There's an attorney present today. Would you like to speak with that attorney?
Is it necessary? Because I paid you guys everything, so
Well, with you saying that and you have 2 driving while license suspended cases, I think you probably should speak with the in-house attorney, okay?
yeah, I'll
A
do that.
breakout room is going to appear. You're going to click to enter it. You'll speak with the attorney and then you'll click to leave it and come back here, okay?
Yes, thank you so much.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Morning.
Morning, Josh.
Hey, what's up, Dan? There's a few, Dan, that I have police reports for that if you need them, for like the failed to stops and recklesses.
Okay.
Edward Jennings, no audio.
Oh, yes, sir. Can you hear me?
Good morning.
Good morning.
Mr. Jennings, Al Hindman, the magistrate. Today's the date and time set for a pretrial with the Romulus prosecutor. You have a driving while license suspended and a registration or plate violation, a civil infraction for failing to stop within a sheer clear distance. We have an attorney available today. You want to speak with that attorney?
Yeah, probably.
Okay,
Yeah, we can
listen,
do that.
and a breakout room is going to appear on your screen. You're going to click to enter it. You're going to go into that breakout room. The attorney won't be there. He'll show up, you'll have a conversation, and then you'll both click to leave it, okay?
Okay.
Sit tight. I'm going to put you in that room, wait for him to show up.
Okay. So pop up on my screen, right?
Yep, right about now.
$14.
Your Honor, Ms. Jones is going to take the offer, plead responsible to double parking. In exchange, the people are dismissing the two DWLS cases.
Okay, Ms. Jones, you're in agreement with your attorney, correct?
Yes, sir.
I'm dismissing the driving while license suspended with an offense date of October 29, 2017. I'm going to dismiss the driving while license suspended with an offense date of April 6, 2019. I'm going to amend that to a double parking, a 0-point offense. Ms. Jones, at the time of the stop back on April 6, 2019 in the city of Romulus, when you were pulled over, did you have a valid license?
No, I did not.
I'm going to accept your plea. Your fines and costs total $800. You need time to pay that?
I'm paying that today. Right. He said give it an hour.
You can pay it, correct?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, she's going to come to the courthouse today and pay, Judge.
Okay. All right. Pay it today and you'll be all set.
Thank you so much.
Okay.
Have a good one.
Take care, Ms. Jones.
All right.
Dan, I'm going to ship you to another breakout room here because we have Edward Jennings. He's going to be in 2. I'll ship you to 2.
Is there an offer on that one?
No, I'm going to move him to you in 1. Yeah, it's they're going to dismiss the DWLS, the failure to stop within a sure clear distance, and the registration or plate. They're going to add the count of double parking, $400.
Thank you.
I'm going to send him to your room.
Okay.
John Winbush, no audio. No video. Dijon.
Yeah, I
Good
can hear you.
morning. There
Good
you
morning.
Al Hindman, the magistrate, today's the date and time set for a pretrial with the Romulus prosecutor. Mr. Winbush, we have an attorney present today that's free of charge. You want to speak with him, reference your cases?
Oh, yes.
I'm going to put you in a breakout room. A breakout room is going to appear on the screen. The attorney will not be there. The attorney will show up in that room. You'll have a discussion with them about your cases, and then you'll click to leave it to come back here, okay?
Okay. Okay.
All right, I'm going to put you in there.
Your Honor, I'm sorry, I'll wait till you're done with him.
Dijon, click to enter.
Your Honor, Mr. Jennings is going to take the people's offer. He will plead responsible to double parking. In exchange, the original charges will be dismissed. He understands there's a stipulated fine of $400.
Mr. Jennings, you're in agreement with the attorney, correct?
Yes, sir.
At the time of the stop back on March 10th of this year, when you were pulled over, did you have a valid license?
No, sir.
I'm going to accept your plea. I'm dismissing the original charge of driving while license suspended, the registration and plate violation. For paperwork purposes, I'll amend the civil infraction of failing to stop to a double parking. Your fines total $400. You can pay that when?
By Thursday.
Pay it within the next 5 days and you'll be all set. Are you paying that in person at the court, the court's drop box, by US mail or online?
In person.
Your cell number is what?
734-502-4488.
4488. You have a good day.
All right, you too.
Go see Mr. Winbush.
Okay. He is in.
He wasn't in there.
He's in number 2. I'll
I
move
do
you
not-
there. I'll
Yeah,
move
thank
you
you.
there.
Thank you.
iPhone, no audio. iPhone, no audio. Good morning.
Good morning. How are you?
I'm fair. Tabitha, correct?
Yes, sir.
Al Hindman, the magistrate. Today's the date and time set for a pretrial with the Romulus prosecutor. You have several cases. We have an in-house attorney available today. You want to speak with that attorney?
Yes, please.
I'm going to move you into a breakout room. It's going to appear on your screen. You're going to click to enter it. When you're done speaking with that attorney, you'll click to leave it, but he won't be there when you get there. Wait for him to show up, okay?
All right. Thank you.
Yeah. Chris's iPad identified for the record. Good morning.
Good morning.
Your name for the record.
Christopher Peters.
Christopher L. Hindman, the magistrate. Today's the date and time set for a pretrial with the Romulus prosecutor. You have a driving while license not valid with an offense date that goes back to August 6th of 2020. Do you want to speak with the in-house attorney?
I guess, I suppose.
A breakout room is going to appear on your screen. You're going to click to enter it. The attorney won't be there. He'll show up. You'll have a conversation with him. And then when you're done, you'll click to leave it and you'll end up back here. Okay.
Yes, sir.
The room's going to appear shortly, Mr. Peters.
Okay.
Your Honor, Mr. Winbush is going to take the offer, plead responsible to double parking with a dismissal of the DWLS.
Okay. And this is Mr. Winbush, correct?
Yes.
Mr. Winbush, you're in agreement with the attorney, correct?
Great.
I'm going to accept your plea. I'm going to dismiss the original charge of driving while license suspended, add the count of double parking. It's a 0-point civil infraction.
Okay, thank
Fines
you.
and costs total $400. Mr. Winbush, at the time of the stop back on August 12th of 2016, when you were pulled over, did you have a valid license?
No.
I'm accepting your plea. You can pay that in the next 5 days.
Okay.
Mr. Winbush,
Okay.
you can pay that in 5
Oh,
days.
yeah. Yes, I can. Yes.
You can pay it in person at the court's drop box by US mail or online. How are you paying it?
Online.
Pay within 5 days online. You're all set.
Okay. Thank you.
Your Honor, Christopher Peters went into a breakout room. Is that who I saw?
No, your next stop, I'm going to move you to see Miss Tabitha Thornsberry. She's in your room 1. I'll move you there.
What's the offer on Tabitha Thornsberry?
Oh, let's see here. It's a dismiss, dismiss the driving while license suspended, dismiss the failed to stop with an assured clear distance causing an accident, and dismiss the registration or plate violation. They're going to add the count of double parking and has to pay the no proof of insurance.
Okay.
All right.
Which number is she in?
600. I'm going to move you to number 1.
You said the fine was 600, correct?
Yep. Moto G7, no audio, 6th attempt. Good morning.
Good morning.
Your name for the record?
You talking to me?
Yep.
Oh, okay. Yo Yonder Reynolds.
One more time.
Yo Yonder Reynolds.
Reynolds?
Yes. Oh, they get this. Ozzy Yolanda.
Ms. Reynolds, Al Hindman, the magistrate. Today's the date and time set for a pretrial with the Romulus prosecutor. We have an in-house attorney available today. Do you want to speak with that attorney?
Sure.
That breakout room is going to appear on your screen. You're going to click to enter it. when you're done, the attorney won't be there when you get there. He'll show up, you'll have a conversation. When you're both done, you'll click to leave it to come back here, okay?
Okay. Okay,
Okay, I'm working on it.
okay. Excuse me. That's a big
Click
one.
to enter it and he'll be there shortly. iPhone, no audio. iPhone, no audio, no video. iPhone, no audio. 7th attempt on the iPhone this morning.
Your Honor, Ms. Thornsberry is back. I've had a chance to speak with her. She is going to plead responsible to the double parking in exchange for a dismissal of the original charges. And I believe you said she's still responsible for the fines and costs on the no proof of insurance, and her fines and costs are $600.
Yeah, let me go through this systematically.
And also, I just want to make sure that that case number would be the same. So when I make that payment.
It should be the same case numbers, ma'am.
Okay, thank you.
It's going to take a few minutes. Sit tight.
No problem.
Ms. Thornsberry, back on June 20th of 2020, when you were pulled over in the city of
Yes, sir.
Round, did you have a valid license?
I did not.
I'm going to accept your plea. I'm dismissing the original charge of driving while license suspended. I'm adding the 0-point offense of double parking. That case totals $600.
Okay.
You have a no proof of insurance ticket. There's an outstanding balance of $315. It's a civil infraction. When can you pay that?
So it wouldn't be 600 altogether. It would be 915 altogether.
Josh, hold on, the prosecutor's here, maybe.
Yeah.
On the case Tabitha Thornsberry, the total fines for all the files total 600.
Yes.
All right, Ms.
Perfect, thank
Thornsberry.
I would need till the end of May, Your Honor.
All right, hold on.
Okay.
Fines and costs on these cases total $600. You're going to be turned over to the collections department. They're going to contact you on a phone number that ends in 5521.
Correct.
Pay close attention. They're going to call you on that phone. Your other cases are dismissed. The failing to stop with a sure clear distance with an accident in the registration or plate are dismissed.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Good luck, Ms. Thornsberry.
Thank you. Have a great day.
And I'm going to move you to another room.
Okay.
You're going to go to number 3,
And who's in there?
Peters.
All right, I'm all set.
Yep.
Yep,
All right, thanks, guys.
you're welcome.
iPhone, no audio.
All right, there it is.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Your name for the record.
Ramondo Madden.
Renando.
Ramondo Madden.
Spell your last name.
Madden.
Nade.
Madden with an M. Madden.
Madden. Got you. Okay.
Yes.
What's your middle name?
Anthony.
Mr. Madden, I have a case before the court. It's a driving while license suspended case. Do you want to speak with the in-house attorney?
Yes, please.
And a breakout room is going to appear on your screen. You're going to click to enter it. The attorney won't be there. You'll wait, he'll show up, you'll have a conversation, and you both will click to leave it to come back here, okay?
Okay. Okay.
Okay, so it's going to show up.
Is the offer on that one double parking as well?
Yep. You want to go talk with him?
Yeah, the other one's ready that I just spoke with Christopher Peters. I don't know if he came out of the breakout room.
Not yet. I'll send you to number one.
Okay.
Good morning.
Who's this? Good. Oh, damn. Good morning.
Your name for the record.
This you. I'm sorry.
Ali Jamal Kimbrough.
I'm sorry. I was getting the computer ready.
Your first name?
Ali Jamal Kimbrough.
Sit tight for a minute, okay?
Excuse me, sir. Your Honor.
Sit tight for a minute.
Okay. All right.
Jay, they keep trying to let me go out of here. I'm sorry.
Dan, can I send you one more place?
Yeah, that's fine. For who?
It's going to be Yolanda Reynolds. It's a allow a suspended person to drive reduced to double parking along with a civil infraction dismissal, 400.
What's the civil infraction dismissal?
No proof.
Okay.
I'm going to send you to 2. Should be up on your screen.
I got it.
Mr. Madden,
Yes.
you spoke with the attorney, correct?
Yes.
Sit tight, he'll be back, okay?
Okay.
Good morning.
Good morning, sir. I'm on a number.
Okay, Ali Jamal Kimbrough, correct?
Yes, sir, Your Honor.
The reason why it was a delay is we had 2 cases with the same last name. Real close. This case is a driving while license suspended or driving while license not valid. It occurred back on January 30th this year. We have an in-house attorney available. You want to speak with that attorney?
Yes.
A breakout room is going to appear on your screen. You're going to click to enter it. The attorney won't be there. The attorney will show up. You'll have a conversation, then you'll both click to leave it to come back here, okay?
Okay, Your Honor. My attorney said he had spoke with the prosecutor already or something.
All right. So you have an attorney, correct?
Yes, sir.
Your attorney, matter of fact, Mr. Kimbrough, your attorney showed up and handled the case for you.
Right, correct.
Well, then what can I do for you?
I don't know, Your Honor. I was just trying to log on, making sure what all I needed to do, just make sure. He didn't ever tell me.
You're going to pay $400 in the next 5 days.
Okay, thank you.
All right?
Yep.
All right, you're all set.
All right, have a nice day, sir.
You too.
Bye-bye.
Jasmine's iPhone, no audio. Dan, ever how you want to do them, I'm ready.
Okay, Mr. Peters never made it back, Your Honor?
Let me see, he's probably... Nope, he's stuck in number 3. I'll go get him.
Okay. There we go. Okay, Your Honor, let's go with Mr. Peters first. Mr. Peters is going to plead responsible to the double parking, dismissal of the driving while license not valid, and fines and costs of $400, Judge.
This is what case again?
Christopher Peters.
Okay. Mr. Peters, you're in agreement with your attorney, correct?
Yes.
At the time of the stop on August 6, 2020, when you were pulled over, did you have a valid license?
I did not.
I'm dismissing the original charge, adding the count of 0-point offense, civil infraction of double parking. Your fines and costs total $400. You can pay that in the next 5 days.
Thank you.
Mr. Peters, your cell number is what?
I'm sorry, I didn't hear you.
Cell phone number?
734-578-5141.
Pay this in the next 5 days and you'll be all set.
Thank you.
Next one, Your Honor, is Ramondo Madden.
Go ahead.
He's going to plead responsible to double parking, dismissal of the DWLS, fines and costs of $400.
Mr. Madden, at the time of the stop on November 11th, way back in 2015, when you were pulled over, did you have a valid license?
No, sir.
I'm going to accept your plea. Your fines and costs total $400. I've dismissed the original charge, added a 0-point offense of double parking. You can pay that in the next 5 days.
Can I be set up for a payment arrangement, Your Honor, if possible?
Yep. Give me 1 minute. Your phone number ends in 9665, correct?
Yes, sir.
Pay close attention to that cell phone. They'll contact you.
Okay.
You have an ongoing payment plan already, correct?
No.
No, correction. You have a scheduled pretrial
For the
on the
26th.
26th. All right,
Yes.
you're all set, Mr. Peter, or Mr. Madden.
Thank you.
Okay.
And our next up is Miss Reynolds. And Miss Reynolds is going to plead responsible to double parking. There will be a dismissal of the allowing an unlicensed person to drive and the no proof of insurance.
Give me 1 minute. I'm dismissing the allowing a suspended person to drive. I'm going to amend the no proof of insurance to double parking for our clerical work up front. Your fines and costs total $400. You can pay that in the next 5 days.
No, I cannot. I need a payment arrangement.
Okay, give me 1 second. And your cell number is?
313-948-8747.
Pay close attention to that cell number. The court's collections department's going to call you and set up a payment plan, okay?
Would you happen to know that number? Because my phone would, any odd numbers come in would take it away straight away.
It is going to be a 734-941-4462 or 4463.
Okay.
You have a good day.
You too, thanks.
Dan?
Oh, do I just hang up? What do I do?
Yeah, you're free to go, Miss Reynolds.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
Dan, I got somebody for you. Let me see what we got. I got. That's amazing. Joshua Cooper. Joshua Cooper, no audio. Joshua Cooper. Joseph Cooper. Shawte Murphy.
Yes, Your Honor.
Good morning.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Al Hindman, the magistrate. Today's the date and time set for a pretrial. You have a driving while license suspended case. We have an in-house attorney present today. You want to speak with that attorney?
Yes.
A breakout room is going to appear on your screen. You're going to click to enter it. The attorney will show up. You'll have a conversation. Click to leave it, okay?
Okay, thank you.
Standard offer, Your Honor.
Yeah. Dan, I'm going to send it where you're at to 2. Miss Murphy, click on the room to enter it, okay?
Okay, thank you.
Mizzy Andrews, last of Andrews, Marcus Andrews. Marcus Andrews, no audio. Jasmine's iPhone, no audio. Jasmine's iPhone, no audio.
Okay, I got it.
Good morning. Your name
Morning.
for the record?
Jasmine Trench.
Trench?
Trent, Trent.
Trent, Jasmine Trent.
Well, no, call Hubby. Anything at all to contribute. What do we do? Bring your orange one.
Jasmine, you have a couple cases, a driving while license suspended case and a civil infraction.
Yes.
No stop sign. These go back to January 31st this year. We have an in-house attorney present. You want to speak with that attorney?
No, I plead guilty to whatever.
Well, how about this? The prosecutor reviewed your file and they're willing to dismiss the driving while license suspended and the stop sign ticket. They're going to add the 0-point offense of double parking. Your fines and costs will total $400. You in agreement with that?
Oh, yes, definitely.
You can pay that in the next 5 days, correct?
Okay, so I've
Or
been
you
out
need
for a
time to
couple
pay
of 1 second. I have to look at the I've been out for 2 weeks because of
All right,
COVID.
hold on, I'll give you time to pay.
All right. I could pay by like May 1st or something.
Okay, hold on.
Second.
Great guy. I can trust him.
What's your cell number?
313-952-6464.
Pay it in the next 10 days and you'll be all set, okay?
Great, thanks. I'll just do that online.
Yeah, you can pay it in person at the court, online, the court's Dropbox, or by US mail.
Okay, thank you. So I'm done.
You're all set.
All right.
Your Honor, Miss Murphy is ready. She's going to plead responsible to double parking. In exchange, the DWLS will be dismissed.
1 second. And that's, what case is this?
Shantae Murphy.
Miss Murphy, at the time of the stop on the February 2nd this year, when you were pulled over, did you have a valid license?
No, Your Honor.
I'm going to accept your plea. I'm going to dismiss the original charge. I'm going to add the count of double parking, 0-point offense. Your fines and costs total $400. You can pay that in the next 5 days, correct?
Can I get a little more time if you
Sure.
don't mind?
Give me 1 second. Your cell number is what?
248-986-4725.
Pay close attention to your cell phone. They're going to contact you and set up a payment plan, okay?
Okay, thank you.
You have a good day.
Thank you, you too.
I'm still here, Al.
Yeah, we've caught up, believe it or not. You can take a break.
Okay.
Good morning.
Good morning, Judge.
You are Kevin Callahan representing Pavlo Bilichev, correct?
Correct.
Is he present?
He cannot be here this morning, no, unfortunately, but I spoke with Attorney Kaplan. I believe we have a resolution to this matter.
Okay, and you have the authority to accept the plea, correct?
Yes.
This is a failed to display a license. These go back to June 23rd of 2020. There's a impeding traffic and a no proof of insurance. They're all from the same date, June 23rd. The prosecutor is willing to dismiss everything, add the 0-point offense of double parking for cost of $400. Agreed?
Correct, Judge. I spoke with my client. My client does agree to those terms as well.
Okay, I'll dismiss the misdemeanor, dismiss the impeding traffic. I'll amend, for our paperwork purposes, the no proof of insurance to double parking. It's $400, can pay it in the next 5 days.
Can we do 7 days, Judge? My client is out of town until like 3 days from now, but he can get a check into the court.
Okay. You're all set.
Thank you, Judge.
Marcus Andrews. Marcus Andrews, no audio.
There you go. I
There
think
you
it's
go.
working
Good
now.
morning. Mr.
Morning.
Andrews, Al Hindman, the magistrate. Today's the date and time set for a pretrial with Romulus prosecutor. You have a driving while license suspended and no proof of insurance. Do you want to speak with the in-house attorney?
Sure, I can.
All right. A breakout room is going to appear on your screen. You're going to click to enter it. The attorney will show up. You'll have a discussion with him. Then when you're done talking, you'll click to leave it to come back here. Okay?
Okay, that's fine. So, breakout room.
Just show up.
Yep. Okay.
Click to enter it. Dan, it's the standard offer.
Which room is he in?
I'm sorry, let me move you to 1 there, Dan. Josh Rubin.
Good morning.
How are you?
Good, thank you.
You're here for?
I am appearing on behalf of Daryl Sean Decker.
Give me 1 second. Okay?
Sure.
This is a driving while license suspended case that goes back to February 4th this year, along with the following 2 closed tickets. You want to speak with the prosecutor, or you want to hear the plea offer?
I already spoke to Mr. Kaplan on this. I do believe we have a resolution. I wasn't sure if he sent that into the court.
Right. It's dismiss both, add the count of double parking, $400.
Correct.
Is your client going to appear today?
Not unless absolutely necessary.
You have the authority to accept the plea for him, correct?
I do. I've confirmed that with email.
I'll dismiss the original DWLS. I'll add the 0-point offense of double parking, and I'll dismiss the following 2 close. All right, it's $400. Pay it in the next 5 days.
Sure thing. Can he just call the court and pay over the phone?
Yep.
Online?
Yep.
Okay, very good. I'll make sure he does that.
Have a good day.
You too. Thank you.
Amending the 2 close to double parking. Dan, go ahead.
Your Honor, Daniel Batar on behalf of Marcus Andrews, he's going to plead responsible to double parking and exchange the DWLS, and the no proof of insurance will be dismissed with a stipulated fine of $400.
Mr. Andrews, I've dismissed the original charge of driving a license suspended. For paperwork purposes, I have amended the no proof of insurance to double parking and dismissed the no proof. You can pay that in the next 5 days.
Yes, I can pay that.
You pay it in person at the court's drop box by US mail or online. How are you paying it?
Is it possible for me to call in or something?
Yeah, you can call it in to or no, you'll have to do it on the court's website. Your cell number is
313-338-5112.
Okay. Pay it online in the next 5 days and you'll be all set, okay?
Okay, that's fine.
Take care, Mr. Andrews.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
Minnie Pearl Perry. No audio. Minnie Perry.
Okay, I'm here. Sorry, I was.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Al Hindman, the magistrate. Today's the date and time set for a pre-trial. You have 2 cases, a driving while license suspended and a traffic signal. That's an old case. It's in what's called a show cause status. You want to speak with the in-house attorney?
No, that's not. That's not.
All right, the prosecutor reviewed, you're refusing the attorney, the prosecutor reviewed your file. They're going to make you the offer to dismiss the original charge of driving while license suspended, dismiss the traffic signal. They're going to add the 0-point offense in place of the driving while license suspended, a no-point civil infraction of double parking. Are you in agreement with that?
Yes.
At the time of the stop back on the 16th of February, way back in 2018, when you were pulled over, did you have a valid license?
No.
I'm going to accept your plea. Your fines and costs total $400. You can pay that in the next 5 days.
Yes.
You can pay it in person at the court's drop box by US mail or online. How are you paying it?
I'm gonna pay online.
Pay it in the next 5 days and you'll be all set, okay?
Okay, cool. Thank you so much. I appreciate it.
You have a good day.
You as well.
Morning.
So who's back?
He's trying it again. Darius Oakley, no audio. He gave me a chat that he's working on his. Dante Rucker. Dante Rucker. Dante Rucker, no audio.
I'm doing good. I'm here.
How are you? Dante L. Hindman, the magistrate. Today's at 8 and time set for a pretrial with the Romulus prosecutor. You have an outstanding case of driving while license suspended. Do you want to speak with the in-house attorney?
Yes.
A breakout room is going to appear on your screen. You're going to click to enter it. You'll have a conversation with the attorney, and then you'll click to leave it to come back here, okay?
Yes, sir.
Dan, it's the regular offer.
Yep.
He'll be coming to your room, Dan.
Join.
Yep. Timothy Gordon, no audio. Go ahead, Dan.
Thank you, Your Honor. Daniel Batar on behalf of Deontay Rucker. He's going to take the offer, plead responsible to double parking, dismissal of the DWLS judge, and he will need a payment plan.
Mr. Rucker, at the time of the stop on the 14th of January of this year, when you were pulled over, did you have a valid license?
No, I do not.
I'm going to accept your plea. I'll dismiss the original charge. I'll add the count of a 0-point civil infraction of double parking. Your fines will cost total $400. Your phone number ends in 7515, correct?
Yes.
Pay close attention to that cell number. The collections department will call and set up a payment plan, okay?
Okay.
You have a good day.
You too. Thank you. Do I leave?
Yep, you can go.
Okay. All right. Thank you.
Timothy Gordon.
Hi, I'm sorry. I'm sure by the looks you see, I'm not Timothy Gordon. I didn't know how to do this. My husband, Timothy, is in a treatment facility. And I didn't want him to miss his court date. So I thought I better come in and explain why he is not here.
That's not a problem. How long before he'll be back?
Okay, he is in a 90-day program. I have a letter from the facility that he's at. If I need to fax it to you, verifying that.
Yeah, you have a pen ready?
Yes, I sure do.
734
734
7530.
Okay, I truly apologize, but my screen froze, so I only got the 734.
734 941 7530.
Okay, I will fax this in as soon as possible, and then you'll let us know if he has to appear again or
You'll
when.
get a new notice in the mail. Send that to the court, okay?
Okay, I sure will. I will fax this. It may not be today because my vehicle is in the shop, but I will fax it to you first thing tomorrow, so you have it, sir.
All right, I adjourned the case. Just send that in. You have a good day.
You too. Thank you, sir.
Justin Berenger, no audio.
Hello?
Justin?
Yes, sir.
Now, Hindman, the magistrate, today's the date and time set for a pre-trial. You have two cases with the court. A driving while license suspended and a stop sign. Do you want to speak with the in-house attorney?
Can you repeat that? Sorry about that, sir.
You have a driving while license suspended and a stop sign ticket. Do you want to speak with the in-house attorney?
Yes.
Dan, it's the standard.
Yep.
Justin, a breakout room is going to appear on your screen. You're going to click to enter it. When you're done having the discussion, you're going to click to leave it, okay?
Okay.
Vincent Mazie.
Yes, sir.
Al Hindman, the magistrate. How are you?
I'm all right. Yourself, Your Honor?
I'm fair.
Just suffering the consequences of my actions.
Hold on 1 minute, okay?
Yep.
Mr. Mazie, you have a failed to report misdemeanor and a drove without due care and caution. Do you want to speak with the in-house attorney?
No.
Okay. Sit tight for a second, okay?
All right. Thank you. Does it cost for the lawyer?
No.
It doesn't?
No, it's free.
Actually, may I please speak to him?
Okay, give me 1 minute.
Thank you.
Mr. Mazie, a breakout room's going to appear on your screen. You're going to click to enter it. You're going to go to that room. The attorney won't be there. He'll show up shortly. You'll have a conversation with him, and then you're going to click to leave it, okay?
Where does it show up at? This is my first time using Zoom.
Just watch your screen. A breakout room's you're going to click to join it, and then you'll click to leave it, okay?
Okay, thank you.
Dan, your guy stayed in there.
No, he's here, Mr. Barganier.
Okay.
Ready on him?
Yep.
Thank you. Daniel Butcher on behalf of Mr. Barganier, Your Honor. He is going to accept the people's offer, plead responsible to double parking with a dismissal of the original charges, Judge.
Mr. Barganier, at the time of the stop on the 28th of January this year, when you were pulled over, did you have a valid license?
No, sir.
I'm going to accept your plea. I'll dismiss the driving while license suspended. I'm going to dismiss the stop sign ticket, amend it to a double parking. Your fines are $400. You can pay that in the next 5 days. You need time to pay.
Yes, I need just a little bit of time to pay.
How long?
At least like 2 weeks.
Pay within the next 14 days, correct?
Yeah.
What's your cell number?
313-978-8984.
Okay, pay close attention to your cell phone. The collections department may call up and set up a payment plan with you, but pay it in the next 14 days, okay?
Okay, appreciate that.
You're all set.
Thank you.
Mazie's in one of those rooms, Judge?
Yeah, and it's
Standard
the same,
offer?
same offer, yeah. Dan, go ahead.
Daniel Butcher on behalf of Vincent Mazie, Your Honor. He's going to accept the offer, plead responsible to double parking with the dismissal of the original charges.
Mr. Mazie, you're in agreement with the attorney, correct?
I am, sir. Yes, sir.
I'm going to dismiss the drove without due care and caution, an accident. I'm going to amend to fail to report an accident.
Thank you.
To double parking. It's $400. You can pay that in the next 5 days.
I will have that paid today, Your Honor.
Hey, Dan,
Yes,
I'm just looking at this. I read this wrong. This plea agreement is, he's going to dismiss the drove without due care and caution. And he has to plead guilty to fail to report. My mistake.
that's just the civil infraction, correct, Judge?
These are 2 misdemeanors.
Okay. Can I go back into a breakout room with him and
Yep.
explain that to him?
Yeah. Mr. Mazie, a breakout room is going to appear on your screen. You're going to click to enter it.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
You'll speak with the attorney. Mr. Mazie, that room's on your screen. Just move your cursor or whatever to enter it.
Thank you.
Electrically, they're all set. That will have to get snapped back. They are not connected to the building's infrastructure IT wise. They will put their own in-house system in. They will have an AT&T line brought to the building in the IT room, and then their phone people will run it up to that office.
Your Honor, I've had a chance to talk to Mr. Mazie again. He understands the offer. He will plead guilty to the failure to report an accident with a dismissal of the driving without due care.
Okay, I've dismissed the driving without due care and caution. Your fines and costs on the failed to report are $400. You can pay that in the next 5 days.
I will have that paid today, Your Honor.
All right, pay it today and you'll be all set.
I thank you very much.
Pay it, reference a ticket number, okay?
Pay it, I don't think I have the ticket.
Tell me when you're ready.
Let me find pen and paper real quick. I'm ready, Your Honor.
It's 2-1 R. Robert P. Paul 00453 B. Boy.
453 B as in boy.
Yep, you're all set.
All right, thank you very much.
Okay. Antoinette White.
Yes.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Al Hindman, the magistrate. Today's the date and time set for a pretrial with the Ryan Mills prosecutor. You have a driving while license suspended case. Do you want to speak with the in-house attorney? Ms. White,
Yes,
you want to speak with the in-house attorney?
yes,
A breakout room is going to appear on your screen. You're going to click to enter it. When you're done speaking with the attorney, you're going to click to leave it, okay?
okay.
Dan, it's the standard.
Okay.
I don't think she followed you out, Dan.
Let me try and go back and see. There we go.
So it really came out to 1,000, 700, 300. Can we leave?
Good morning.
Hang on, Ms. White. Daniel Batar, on behalf of Ms. White, Your Honor, she's going to take the offer. She'll plead responsible to double parking, dismissal of the DWLS.
Ms. White, at the time of the stop on February 26, did you have a valid license on the 26th?
No, sir.
I'll accept your plea. I'm dismissing the original charge. Driving while license suspended. I'm adding the count, a 0-point civil infraction of double parking. Your fines and costs total $400. You can pay that in the next 5 days.
She'll need about 10 days. Didn't you say you needed 10 days, Ms. White?
Yes, 10 days.
Okay.
Within 10 days, in person at the court, at the court's website, at the drop box, or by US mail.
Okay.
All right, you're all set. Pay it in 10 days, you'll be all set.
Thank you.
You have a good
You're
day.
welcome.
You too.
Oh, that's all I got. Oh, I'm so thankful. I'm blessed to have to pay just that.
Ms. White, you can go ahead and disconnect.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
I'm trying, I don't know what.
Just exit mom at the top. I'm helping her. Let me exit her.
Jacoby, what's your last name?
Stewart. I'm wondering, I'm like, you the attorney?
Yes, sir. We're just waiting for the judge to come back.
Okay, okay.
Jacoby Stewart.
Here I am.
Al Hindman, the magistrate. Today's the date and time set for a pretrial. You have a driving while license suspended, a 26 over speeding ticket, and a no proof of insurance. You want to speak with the in-house attorney?
Yes.
A breakout room is going to appear on your screen. You're going to click to enter it. When you're done speaking with the attorney, you'll click to leave it, okay?
All right.
Dan, it's dismiss both, reduce it to double parking 400.
Both, I see three different things, Your Honor. Dismiss all three?
Well, yeah, and I have DWLS reduced to double parking. And
Okay.
no proof of insurance. And speeding.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay. Jacoby Stewart.
Daniel Bater on behalf of Jacoby Stewart, Your Honor. He's going to take the offer, plead responsible to double parking with the dismissal of the other charges. And Your Honor, he'll need about 14 days to pay any fines and costs.
Mr. Stewart, I'm dismissing the driving while license suspended. I'm dismissing the no proof of insurance and the speeding. I'll amend the speeding to a double parking. Your
Okay.
fines and costs are $400. You can pay that in the next 14 days, correct?
Yes, sir.
Pay it in the next 14 days and you'll be all set.
All right. Hey, I have a question also. Referring to my license, well, after I pay, I believe I have a total of 2 tickets I need to pay, including you guys. So once I pay those tickets off, how do I issue with getting my license back? How
You
do I
make
go
an
forward?
appointment with the Secretary of State and you should be all set.
Okay, sounds good.
All right?
All right.
You have a good
Good
day.
luck.
All right, you too. Thanks.
You're welcome.
Nicole Finley,
Yes.
good morning.
Good morning.
Al Hindman, the magistrate. Today's the date and time set for a pretrial with the Romulus prosecutor. You have a driving while license suspended that goes back to August, way back into 2012. Do you want to speak with the in-house attorney?
Sure.
A breakout room is going to appear on your device. You're going to click to enter it. When you're done, you'll click to leave it, okay?
Okay.
Dan, it's the usual.
Yep.
I just got done talking to the prosecutor. In the past, he has said if he gave me information, he would consider
Morning.
doing filing against the other guy.
I'm sorry.
Joseph. No audio.
Oh.
Good morning.
Good morning.
No audio.
No audio? Okay.
No, I can hear you. Mr. Johnny Al Hindman, the magistrate, today's the date and time set for a pretrial with the Romulus prosecutor. You have a reckless driving case. Do you want to meet with the in-house attorney?
Judge, I think Mr. Dejani is with Leanna. Leanna's probably in the breakout room.
Okay.
That's one of his clients.
Mr. Dejani, a breakout room is going to appear on your screen. You're going to click to enter it. Your attorney is going to show up there. You'll have a conference and then you'll click to come back here, okay?
Yes, I got you. Thank you.
Your Honor, I think you'll need to bring in Leanna to get her into that breakout room.
I think she's there. Oh, she's still here. I sent her there. She hasn't acknowledged me this morning. Leanna,
Yes, Al.
I'm going to move you to a breakout room, okay?
Okay, thank you.
Leanna, it's on your screen. It's number 3. All right, Dan, go ahead.
Thank you, Daniel Batar, on behalf of Ms. Finley, Your Honor. Your Honor, she will take the offer. She'll plead responsible to double parking with a dismissal of the DWLS.
Ms. Finley, I'm dismissing the original charge, adding the 0-point civil infraction of double parking. Your fines and costs total $400. You can pay that in the next 5 days.
Judge, she indicated she needs about 30 days to pay. So if you could give her 30 days or put her on a payment plan, we'd appreciate it.
Ms. Finley, the collections department's going to contact you at a phone number that ends in 6710. That's good, correct?
Yes, sir.
Pay close attention to that phone number in the next couple of days. They're going to call you. You're all set.
Thank you, sir.
Good luck, Ms. Finley.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Walker, no audio. Stephen Walker. Stephen Walker. Stephen Walker.
Yes.
Al Hindman, the magistrate. How are you?
I'm great. I'm doing good now. How are you?
Good. You have a pre-trial with the Rhineland prosecutor. You want to speak with the in-house attorney?
Yeah, that'll be fine.
A breakout room is going to appear on the screen. You're going to click to enter it. When you're done speaking with the attorney, you'll click to leave it to come back here, okay?
Copy that. Sounds good. I'm waiting for it now.
Same offer, Dan.
Thank you.
Dan, go ahead.
Did he make it back yet?
No, I didn't see that.
Let me go back in and see if he's still there. There we go. Daniel Batar on behalf of Mr. Walker, Your Honor. He's going to plead responsible to double parking with a dismissal of the DWLS, and he's requesting a payment plan, Your Honor.
Mr. Walker, at the time of the stop on October 1st, back in 2020, when you were pulled over, did you have a valid license?
No, sir. No, Your Honor.
I'm going to accept your plea. I'll dismiss the original charge of driving while license suspended. I'll add the count of double parking, a 0-point civil infraction. Your fines and costs total $400. You can pay that in the next 5 days.
I could start a payment plan in the next 5 days, if that's okay,
All right,
sir.
the collections department's going to contact you on a phone number that ends in 4614. Pay close attention to that, okay?
Yes, sir, I will.
They'll set up that payment plan. You have a good day.
Thank you. You too, Your Honor.
Good luck, Mr. Walker.
Thank you. I appreciate it, sir.
Mhm.
But Joseph Vijani,
Yes, sir.
did you
Good
meet
morning.
with your attorney?
Leanna
Yes, I
Belcher,
did.
on behalf of Mr. Dejani, we'd be requesting a jury trial in this matter.
Leanna, I need contact information for, now I gotta jump off for a quick second. I'll be right back. Leanna, that was the court calling. So they're just gonna set this for a date and you're gonna get info in the mail.
Okay, and do you want his contact information?
Yeah,
still?
go ahead.
His phone number is 734-672-0356.
All right. You'll be hearing from him. I don't think it's gonna be soon though.
I told him that.
Okay. You have a good day.
You too, thank you.
No one else waiting, Yale?
Dan, let's head for the hills.
Okay, take care. Have a good day. Watch out for the snow that's coming. We're supposed to get snow tonight or tomorrow.
Isn't that crazy?
That
I'm
is
good to leave?
absolutely-
Mr. Johnny, you're all set.
All right, thank you.
Yeah, I've seen anywhere from 1 to 4 inches. We better not get anything that accumulates. I already put away my snow shovels.
Yeah, isn't that crazy? So did I.